So, how about it, guys? The annoying eaters. Do you have one of these kinds of friends?
Leave comments,
Friends.
Yeah, friends.
The ones that, you know, chew like this.
I'm gonna chew my gum like how she eats.
And I'm gonna go.
And want to drink.
Ready?
Oh, was that good, Anna?
Oh, yeah. Like, it's like,
Yeah.
no. Shut the fuck up. I do not want to hear
Maybe
you.
we should talk like them the whole video.
I do not want to hear you going like, oh, look at me, all my food in my mouth. I'm so cool. Blah, blah, blah.
Want to hear me eating all the time?
Like, yeah, my cousin, I
Okay.
told my cousin that. She's like, I would have slapped her in the face.
I would too, personally.
But, you know, my mom was right there, so I was like,
Better not.
awkward, no. But, you know, those questions in Truth or Dare really like, what's someone's bad habit in the room? I'm gonna be like, chewing with your mouth open and slurping. Do you want to stop doing that when you're over at my house? Or never come over again? Oh, wait, I don't want to invite you over again, so either way. Want me to want to see what my weird sounding eating friend looks like? Let's find her. She's
What do you
not
call
too
her?
pretty.
What do you call her?
Retainer girl.
Oh yeah, I call her Retainer Girl, even though I had one, but at least I didn't have a bad lisp like she did. But what's her real name? Brooklyn.
Brooklyn Shepherd.
She's right there. And once again, she looks way different.
Don't like. Oh, just kidding. This one right here.
She looks different.
Don't mind the little writing up there. This is favorite grade 7.
Yeah, so if
Ew.
you have an annoying friend who drinks or eats really annoyingly, please leave comments. We'd love to hear them. Or even you, if you gotta, what do you call it, disagree with us, leave comments. But you're wrong, because it is very annoying.
Ask anyone.
Please.
But yourself.
Yeah, you know what? It's just disgusting. Like when they're drinking like their end of their cereal and they have to slurp out the milk.
It's like,
oh my gosh. When they're eating soup.
oh god.
My.
Oh,
Oh my.
oh my.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh my.
LOL.